is gonna be fun.
Oh, there's a fucking cannon here. There's a fucking cannon.
Yo, how the hell do we get in here?
How do we get in here?
The ladder.
God damn it.
Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Also, everyone has to use in-game VoIP. And everyone better have a fucking pirate accent.
Part of the crew, part of the ship.
Part of the crew, part of the ship.
Part of the ship, part of the crew, part of the ship, part of the crew.
It's like my old shrimping boat.
Okay, who touched the fucking letter hatch?